Okay, so I'm here with Kurt and Brittany from SuperFlash. Good to see you guys today.
Thanks for having us. Good to see you.
Of course. So I have a couple questions for you. What are the typical products or services a distributor would typically buy from you?
Well, typically from our product standpoint, it's gas safety devices, gas mixers, gas analyzers, thermal spray equipment, as well as we have things related to anything related to filling. So all the ancillary products people would need to fill their own gases. Yeah.
And what is something a distributor might not know about you or what your company offers?
I think one of the things is we go by SuperFlash in North America, South America, Central America, but we have a partner company in Europe out of Germany, Ibida, and so a lot of people that have that purchase from other parts of the world know that company as well. They've been around for 70 plus years. We've been around here in North America for 35 years. So I think there's a lot of people that don't realize that our companies are sister companies, and we do run into customers all the time that maybe don't know us but know them, or we run into their customers and the same thing, kind of the vice versa effect on that. So by that relationship, we basically sell in over 100 countries around the world. We're not just North America based.
That's great.
Yeah.
And lastly, are there any features that your products offer that are different from your competitors?
One of the things related to the earlier answer is the fact that we sell in 100 countries around the world. We basically have every approval. So a lot of the products that are sold in North America have approvals here for this part of the world, whether it's UL or those similar type of requirements. But anybody that's got customers that are selling in other parts of the world, or they're selling to different parts outside the US, for example, we have approvals that would be whatever that country needs. So we do have the ISO approvals that are accepted all over the world. We have the European BAM standards that are very common outside of America, something you wouldn't necessarily see here. So that is something when we have customers that come to us and they have requirements maybe that are a little different, where they need fittings that aren't North American or CGA fittings, but they are companies here that are using those because they have partners in other parts of the world. Those are things that we are able to supply that most of the competition just doesn't get involved with. So
I think also though, our flashback arresters, other people have them. We have the full line. So whether it be A size or you need some high flow, something for plants, we have all of that, German made, much better quality. So it's not your standard just B size flash arresters. We carry the whole line.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, thank you, Brittany and Kurt. I appreciate your time today. As always, it's great to see you.